I am presenting a fantastic program for you all to effectively reach your future goals at the best potential level. This will be a lengthy video and much more information will be offered to help your child get the best possible education. Watch from beginning to end without skipping. We need to consider four main points here. First one will be to make the entire subject easy to understand. We must develop a proper, unique, tiny base. This base is very crucial and effective. When we implement this modest base well, we will be able to learn the remaining 80% much more easily. We are paying additional attention to this and implementing it for each and every student to open the gate and continue their stress-free education path. Second point will be, we shouldn't limit ourselves to the subject and the syllabus alone. For complex things to be understood simply, we also need to take the psychological influence into account. Learning and practice are two separate things. Learning time, when we focus on the answer and learn, will truly help us understand complex topics very quickly. We need to consider the psychological implications as well. Third point will be, there is no chance to decompress and concentrate on your academics. We need to avoid the stressful path. Education differs from intelligence. Education is something a person pursues and employs for cognitive gain. Intelligence is an internal energy that is present from birth and can be developed. When intelligence and education combine in the proper way, the possibilities are limitless. This will reduce the stress. The right education can open your mind, help you to hone your skills, and ensure you discover your talents. Up to 14 years of age, the brain is in the developing stage. So each and every individual up to 14 years of age must work on brain development. We solely focus on subjects. There is no brain development. We only practice and train. To reach the maximum possible level, we require brain development. This talent is concealed and we will keep it hidden forever. We use only the left side and choose a stressful path to attain the basic level with a degree or relevant qualification, assuming it is the highest level for them. We are not giving them the opportunity to achieve the maximum level attainable. This is the secret of genius community. When we consider the survey report, one particular community becomes the genius community every year. There is no special talent. This is the secret. I have provided the link below Series of video clips explain everything clearly. Please view it. Our children use only a small portion of the brain capacity available to them because they primarily focus on left brain tasks. We rarely use the right brain talents. Improving intelligence, creativity, and imagination required the use of the right brain. Real changes are needed to bring our children to the correct target. We need to feed three key things to their brain. Relieve stress. To support academic success, it is important to relieve stress. Invigorate the brain, make the brain happy, and engage in IQ development activities. These activities improve focus, concentration, intelligence, imagination, and creativity. Next point will be exposure to technology. Nowadays, everything is related to technology. Whether you choose the medical or managerial profession, it is linked to technology. In the future, the situation will become more problematic. Whatever your degree, if you are not connected to technology, you will be unable to advance to the maximum level. Preference will be given to persons who use technology correctly. We should introduce children to technology as early as possible in school. This kind of research should begin with school academic education. Improve intelligence. Learning is not possible without intelligence. In other words, intelligence is the foundation of learning. The level of intelligence determines the effectiveness of learning. It is widely acknowledged that students with high intelligence are simpler to educate, direct, and guide than students with lower intelligence. Then the next crucial point comes reducing financial stress. Every day, new courses are brought onto the market, and we simply go and participate without considering the outcome. Technological studies are extremely pricey. Most of the time, you will need to invest more money to get kits for practice tasks. I fully reduce this load and given the possibility to learn more expertise with projects without spending a large amount on kits. I have designed numerous projects for both industrial solutions and university curricula. I can create a lot of robotic kits and present them for purchase. But my goal is not to get a profit by selling kits. I wanted to provide students the chance to develop and perform at the best level possible. We simply need one electronic board which will cost you about $10 to $15. With my supervision, we can complete practically any project using this single board. Subjects are linked to hourly rates, a significant load for parents and students. Students need to try hard to complete more items within the specified time slot or to prolong the period. I have reduced this burden as well using my expert coaching ability. The secret to success is time. The majority of them don't think about it and don't teach their kids to practice from the start. When it comes to physical attending lessons, half of the time is spent traveling. When it comes to online teaching, some students have internet interruptions, while others engage in the new lesson without having completed the prior lessons and ask a lot of questions, which can disrupt other people's time. Then the time will be unproductive. As I previously stated, I have been using my excellent coaching skill to overcome these challenges for over a decade, not only for school students but also for university students and professionals. They believe the strategy is more effective because my explanation appealed to them. I have offered them the ability to personally communicate with me regarding lesson doubts, but they rarely contact because the explanation is so apparent. Lessons will be sent to you once each week, covering the required topic for that week. There is no hourly rate or entry price, only $8 per month per subject. One topic will be arithmetic, while the other can be called junior engineering, IQ boost, or exposure to technology. These two subjects are very crucial. All other subjects based on these two. The reason I choose math is that the majority of students fail it. I have detailed the reasons and remedies in my series of video clips on how to develop intellect and achieve success in education. Please view it. If you are really excellent at maths, you do not need to participate in maths lessons. However, activities involving the right side of the brain are required from grade 3 to GCSE. You must always fine-tune the right side to enable the left side, absorb the teachings much more quickly and make the most use of the knowledge. I am not only lowering the expense and stress, but also preserving your time by delivering a high quality education and a nice opportunity to participate for 3 months. Feel it and continue forever. I hope no single students will stop from continuing. To continue the education journey, we need a program that exposes students to technology, boosts their IQ, energizes the brain, encourages them to learn, and avoids unpleasant learning situations. Contact on WhatsApp. Type the code MI, student name, city, school, and language in which parents prefer to contact with me, and I will group parents based on the information provided. I am offering an opportunity for all parents to connect and share their ideas. We always need a close relationship with our parents to finish a great journey. Only parents will be connected to the group and they can converse in any language they choose. Students will be treated individually according to their needs. You only need 3 months to feel the productivity of the program. Stay tuned for the upcoming math and programming series featuring robotic topics. You can see how easy it is to follow up when connected to the appropriate offline program. Thank you.